Another day, another story. A ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate diet that aims to shift the body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. In this state, the liver produces ketones, which are used as an alternative source of energy. Here are 30 potential benefits of the ketogenic diet on weight loss. Reduces appetite. A ketogenic diet may help reduce appetite and cravings, leading to a decrease in calorie intake. Increases satiety. The high fat and moderate protein content of a ketogenic diet can help increase feelings of fullness and satiety. Enhances fat burning. A ketogenic diet promotes the burning of stored body fat for energy, which can result in weight loss. Reduces insulin levels. A ketogenic diet may help lower insulin levels, which can contribute to weight loss. Improves insulin sensitivity. A ketogenic diet may improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to use insulin and reduce blood sugar levels. Increases metabolism. A ketogenic diet may increase metabolism, leading to increased calorie burning and weight loss. Reduces inflammation. A ketogenic diet may help reduce inflammation, which can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Promotes gut health. A ketogenic diet can promote a healthy gut microbiome, which can contribute to weight loss. Reduces water retention. A ketogenic diet may help reduce water retention, leading to weight loss. Preserves muscle mass. A ketogenic diet may help preserve muscle mass during weight loss, preventing the loss of lean body mass. Increases energy. A ketogenic diet may increase energy levels, leading to increased physical activity and calorie burning. Improves mood. A ketogenic diet may improve mood and mental clarity, which can contribute to weight loss. Reduces stress. A ketogenic diet may help reduce stress, which can contribute to weight gain. Improves sleep. A ketogenic diet may improve sleep quality, which can contribute to weight loss. Reduces triglycerides. A ketogenic diet may help reduce triglycerides, which are a type of fat in the blood that can contribute to weight gain. Increases HDL cholesterol. A ketogenic diet may help increase HDL cholesterol, which is considered the good cholesterol. Lowers blood pressure. A ketogenic diet may help lower blood pressure, which can contribute to weight loss. Reduces risk of heart disease. A ketogenic diet may help reduce the risk of heart disease, which is associated with obesity. Reduces risk of type 2 diabetes. A ketogenic diet may help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, which is associated with obesity. Reduces risk of cancer. A ketogenic diet may help reduce the risk of cancer, which is associated with obesity. Reduces risk of Alzheimer's disease. A ketogenic diet may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease, which is associated with obesity. Reduces risk of Parkinson's disease. A ketogenic diet may help reduce the risk of Parkinson's disease, which is associated with obesity. Reduces risk of epilepsy. A ketogenic diet is a recognized treatment for epilepsy, which is associated with obesity. Improves cognitive function. A ketogenic diet may improve cognitive function, which can contribute to weight loss. Reduces risk of fatty liver disease. A ketogenic diet may help reduce the risk of fatty liver disease, which is associated with obesity. Reduces risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. A ketogenic diet may help reduce the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is associated with obesity. Improves liver function. A ketogenic diet may improve liver function, which can. Thanks for watching.